comfortably with your eyes closed. Observe the breath. Now let's begin with Om chanting. Take a deep breath in. Om. Let's start Bhastrika. 50 exhalations, single round. Sit in Vajrasan, hands in position. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Let's begin. Rest your hands on your legs. Observe your chest, your arms, your breath. Relax, bring your arms in front, elbows at 90 degree, palms facing each other. Inhale and open elbows to the side, pushing the chest out. And exhale, bring the elbows close. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Keep doing. Open, close. Open with inhale, close with exhale. Open, close. Open, close. Open, close. Two more. Inhale and exhale. Relax your hand. Inhale, look up. Exhale, chin to chest. Inhale, look up. Exhale, chin to chest. Inhale up. Exhale down. Again, inhale up. Exhale down. Back to center. Swing your neck. Right shoulder to left shoulder. Semicircle. Right shoulder. Inhale. Go to left shoulder. Exhale. Again, inhale. Go to right. And exhale. Go to left. Feel the sides of your neck getting stretched. Inhale. And exhale. Again, inhale. And exhale. Same way, let's do on the back side. Half circle. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. One more. Inhale. And exhale. Stretch the sides of the neck. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Change your side. Stretch and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stretch the back and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stretch the front and hold. Push with the thumb. Push the base of chin with your thumb and hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now with right hand, hold the left side of the chin, press it on the right side. Back to center. With left hand, hold the right side of the chin, press it to the left side. Back to center. Relax. Come back to Sukhasana. Inhale, stretch your hands up. Hold 10, 9, 8, armpits open, ribs open. 7, 6, chin up, nose pointed forward. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's do again. Inhale deeply. Stretch your hands up and hold. You can close your eyes. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale slowly. 1, 2. Control your exhalation. 3, 4, 5. Very little at a time. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more. Deep inhale and hold. 10, 9, chest open. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Smooth flow of your arms. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Arm circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's change back to front. 5. Slowly. 4. Feel your shoulder blades. 3, 2, and 1. Now stretch your shoulder. Tuck one elbow in the other hand and pull. Relax. Same way on the other side. Tuck this elbow in the other hand and pull. Relax. Put the right hand behind the neck. Hold the right elbow with left palm and pull it in the center. Trying to reach your fingertips down towards the middle back. Relax. Left hand behind the neck. Hold the right elbow and press, stretching the tricep and pushing the fingers downwards. Stretch. Relax. Now hold both the elbows with opposite hands. Elbow should be at the center of the palm. Up and arch. Look up, chest out. And now stretch the left side, bending to the right side without straining the neck. Maintain the alignment of the spine. Don't bend forward. Again, with a deep inhale, your arms go up. And as you exhale, stretch the other side, bend to the left side. Very good. Again, inhale and come up. From here, push your knees forward. Sit in Vajrasana. Chest out, arching your back. See the side view. Like this. Chest out, arching your back. Hold it 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale and relax your arms in front of your belly. Again, inhale. Stand on the knee and arch, lifting your arms overhead. Exhale and sit down to Vajrasana. Again, inhale and on your knees arch, chest out. Look up at the ceiling. Exhale, hip on the heel, hand in front of belly. Let's do one more time. Inhale, up on the knee and arch. Exhale, go down to Vajrasana. From here now, stretch your hands forward. Come to tabletop. Inhale to cow. Exhale to cat. Round your back. Push the floor with your palms. Inhale to cow. Exhale to cat. Again, inhale to cow. Exhale to cat. Now, same way. We did this up and down. Now, we are going to do sidewise. Inhale. Right side stretched. Left side crunched. And exhale. Left side stretched. Right side crunched. Inhale. Have you understood? Just give me a thumbs up. Exhale. Looking at your feet. Exhale. Inhale. Stretch. Exhale. Again. Inhale. Exhale. Now, just like a doggy wags its tail, you have to move your pelvis. Imagine you are drawing a circle on the floor with the pelvis. So, little gap in the knee and move your pelvis, drawing a circle, imaginary circle. Do that 5 circles clockwise and then anti-clockwise 5 times. Very good. Inhale, lift the left knee up sidewise. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, exhale. Slowly feel your hip. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Maintain 90° at the knee. Keep doing. One more. Inhale and exhale. Let's switch to the other leg. Inhale, exhale. Feel the breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last. Inhale as you lift. Exhale as you drop. Tuck your toes. Inhale here. And exhale. Lift your knees off the floor. Push your chest inwards. Paddle your heels. Press your heel down and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now fold your right knee. Press the left heel down. Stretch the left calf. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop the right foot down. Bend the left knee. Press the right heel down. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop the left foot down. Bring the right foot forward. And right hand up. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Drop the right palm down. And right leg goes back. Again, inhale. Bring left foot forward. And left hand goes up. Inhale. Open the chest. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, left palm down, left leg back. Inhale, right foot forward, right hand up. Exhale, right hand down, right leg back. Inhale, left foot forward, left hand up. Exhale, left hand down and left foot back. Inhale, right foot forward, right hand up. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, right hand down, right foot back. Inhale, left foot forward, left hand up. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, left hand down, left foot back. Inhale, plank. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, hip up, down dog. Again, inhale plank, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, down dog, hip up. One more time. Inhale plank, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, hip pointed up. Look at your toes. Now separate the feet wide apart according to the width of your mat. Adjust your hands. Stay there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Heel down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Feet together. Stay in plank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop the knee. Sit in Vajrasana. Relax your shoulders, relax your arms. 30 seconds, eyes closed in Vajrasana. Let your hands forward, come to puppy. Hip over your knees. Stay there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now place your hands behind your back on your shoulder blades. Your fingertips on your shoulder blades and press your elbow on the floor. Deepen the stretch. Deepen the stretch. Press your elbow on the floor. Open your armpits. Open. Stretch your hands forward. Inhale to Bhujangasana. Shift your body forward, hip down, chest up, belly stretched. Exhale, back to puppy without moving the hands. Inhale, Bhujangasana without moving the palm, fixed at the point. Look forward. And exhale to puppy. Repeat. Inhale, look forward. Bhujang. And exhale to puppy. Do that 2 more times. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale to puppy stretch. One more time. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, go back to puppy. And slide your hip back, go to child. Hip on your heels. Slide yourself backward. Hands beside the feet, palms turned upward. Stay there 30 seconds. Now inhale up to Vajrasana. Stand on your knees. Exhale, stretch the left leg out. Side bend in gate pose. Inhale back to center. Take your knee back. Exhale in Vajrasana. Again, inhale. Stand on your knee. Extend your leg. Exhale, side bend. Gate pose, Parigasana. Inhale back to center, knee in. And exhale to Vajrasana. Again, inhale up on the knee, left leg stretched. Exhale, side bend towards the straight leg. Inhale back to center, knee in. Exhale. Vajrasana. Other side. Inhale, up on the knee, leg extended. Exhale, side bend. Stretch the belly nicely. Inhale, back up, knee in. Exhale, Vajrasana. We'll repeat one more time. And then we'll have a back bend added to this. Inhale, up on the knee, stretch the leg. Exhale, on the straight leg side. Bend sidewise. Stretch the entire thing. Don't bend forward. Your chest should be facing the wall in front of you. Stretch. Look at the ceiling. And now inhale, go up. And exhale on the other side. Stabilize the core. Inhale, go up. And exhale. Right hand goes on the right ankle. Left hand stretched up. Left leg stretched to the side. Left hand stretched up. Again, inhale, hands up. And exhale back to Vajrasana. I'm going to open you all. Inhale, up on the knee, stretch the right leg out. Exhale towards the right leg. Bend as much as possible, maintaining the spine, chest facing to the front. Inhale, both the hands up. And exhale, in line with the straight leg. Your upper body, arms and leg in one straight line. Inhale up. And now left hand on the left ankle, right hand stretched up. Inhale, both the hands up. Deep inhale and exhale. Lower down your hands. Leg in, back to Vajrasana. Feeling good? One more round. Inhale up. Exhale on the side. Hold it. 10, 9, 8. Heel should remain down. Entire foot should remain down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to center. Deep inhale. And exhale. Arch. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, put the hands up. And exhale back to Vajrasana. Repeat on the other leg. Deep inhale. And exhale. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep inhale. Both hands up. And exhale. Left hand on the left ankle. Arch. Keep pushing this pelvis forward. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, both the hands up, chest open. And exhale, arms down, leg in, back to Vajrasana. Hold the fist on the left and right side of the navel. Let's do Mandukasana. Inhale deeply. And as you exhale, bend from the lower back. Exhale while going down. Complete exhalation as you reach down. You are without the breath. Now again, lift your shoulder away from the floor and deep inhale. Exhale as you press your fist on the belly. Excellent for your liver and pancreas. Good for diabetic people. Inhale, lift your chest up. You can keep your eyes closed and just feel the breath. Exhale. Try to stay down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, inhale. Try to stay down as long as possible without the breath. Exhale. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Let's do one more time and stay there 8 seconds now. Exhale. Stay down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Inhale. And now exhale to Parivritta Vajrasana. Twisted. Left elbow on the outside of right knee. Twist your upper body. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale in the center to Vajrasana. And exhale. Right elbow on the outside of left knee. Twist your upper body. Open the upper back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale back to Vajrasana. And exhale, relax your hands. Stand up on your knees. Tuck your toes without any support. Push the weight back. Open the knees apart. Stay there 10, 9, create balance. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Deep inhale and get up. Tadasana. Feet joined, knees joined, hands by the sides. Shoulders rolled back, chest out, chin up. Stay in Tadasana. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now Urdhva Tadasana. Up on your toes. Inhale. Stretch your hands up, interlock the fingers, palms turned up. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Slowly lower down your heels. Keep little gap in the feet. Inhale. Again, stretch your hands up. And exhale to Tiryaktanasana. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep inhale. Exhale on the other side. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale, bend forward. Bend forward. Hold. 10, 9, 90 degree at the hip and upper body. See, 90 degree with the legs and the belly. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Swing. Left, right. Left, biceps to the ears. Right. Left, feet should not move. Right. Left, right. Again. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Come back to center. Inhale up. Arch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Hands to the feet. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Interlock your fingers behind your back. Stretch your hands away from the head. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Arch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. Let's begin Surya Namaskars. We are going to open this area, oblique area today. Just watch me one round and then you can start with me. So this is 1. Just watch. 2, 3. And now wrap your left arm around the left thigh and stretch the right hand up. This is 4. Then again Ashwasanchalan 5. Adho Mukha 6. Palak 7. Ashtanga 8. Bhujang 9. Adho Mukha 10. Right foot forward 11. Now wrap your right arm from under the thigh. From under the thigh, left the stretch hand up. So you'll feel entire left side as well as the hip flexor. Okay, stretch up. Again, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, go up and namaste. Watch one more round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and namaste. Got it? Let's do. Chalo. 1, 2, bend forward. 3, right leg back. 4, right hand up. Wrap your left arm around the left thigh. 5, 6, left leg back. 7, plank. 8, Ashtanga. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Namaste. Left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Namaste. Second round. 1, arms up. 2, bend forward. 3, right leg back. 4, right hand up. 5, both the palms down. 6, left leg back. 7, 8, Ashtanga. 9, 10, Adho Mukha. 11, right foot front. 12, left hand up. 13, Ashwasanchalan. 14, Padhastasana. Left foot forward. 15, rise up. Namaste. Left side. 1, 2, 3, left leg back. 4, left hand up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, left foot front. 12, right hand up. 13, 14, 15. Namaste. Good job, third round. 1, 2, 3, right leg back. 4, 5, 6, down dog. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Namaste. Left side. 1, 2, 3. Left leg back. 4. Left hand up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Left forward. 12, 13, 14, 15. Namaste. Fourth round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Namaste. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hold the belly and stretch up. 13, 14, 15. Namaste. Keep moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Namaste. Left side, fifth round. 1, 2, 3. Left leg back. 4. Left hand up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Left forward. 12. Right hand up. 13, 14, 15. Namaste. Sixth round. 1, 2, 3. Right leg back. 4. Right hand up. 5, 6. Left back. 7, 8. Ashtanga. 9, 10, 11. Right foot front. 12. Left hand up. 13, 14, 15. Namaste. Left side. 1, 2, 3. Left foot back. 4, 5. Come on, this is last round. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Left front. 12. Open. Right hand up. 13, 14. Right foot forward. 15. Stretch upward and namaste. Take 1 minute break. So let's do one more round. Same flow. We are going to hold every asana for 3 breaths. Inhale, arms up, don't arch. Just stretch your hands up and hold. Go to Padhastasana and hold for 3 deep breaths. Now take the right leg back. Wrap your left arm under the left thigh. Stretch the right hand up. Keep gazing at the right hand fingers. Hold. 3 deep breaths. Exhale, go to down dog and stay for 3 deep breaths. Plant for 3 deep breaths. Ashtanga, 3 deep breaths. Bhujang, 3 deep breaths. Down dog, again 3 deep breaths. Left foot front in between the palms. Wrap the left thigh. Stretch the right hand up. Go back to Adho Mukha Svanasana, 3 deep breaths. Bring the right foot front. Wrap the right hand stretch. Hold 3 deep breaths. Padhastasana, 3 deep breaths. Lift your upper body up, Hastuttan, don't arch. Look forward, elbow straight, armpit open, arm stretch. Tadasana, 3 deep breaths. Center of the mat. Inhale, raise your arms. Exhale to Padhastasana. Lift the left leg up backwards. Hold it. And now, if possible, go to half moon pose. Lift the left hand up. You balance on your right hand and right foot. Stay there, 3 deep breaths. Slowly lower down your upper hand. Drop the left foot down. Paddle the heels. While in Padhastasana, paddle the heels. Inhale and rise up. Back to Tadasana, 3 deep breaths. Let's repeat half moon on right side. Inhale, arms up. Exhale to Padhastasana. Inhale, right foot lifted up, backwards. Find your balance. And then raise your right hand up. Come to half moon. 3 deep breaths. Again. Very slowly lower down your upper hand. Lower down your right leg. Paddle your heels. Inhale and lift yourself up. Exhale to Tadasana, 3 deep breaths. Relax. Let's do Vrikshasana. Tuck your left foot sole on your right inner thigh. Find your balance. After you're comfortable here, either raise your hands up or namaste in front of the chest, whatever is comfortable. Both the options are open. 3 deep breaths. Very slowly release your hands. Untuck your foot. Relax in Tadasana. 3 deep breaths. Go on the other side. Tuck your right foot sole on the left inner thigh. Find your balance. Once that's fixed, you will raise your arms. Fix the point. Gaze at that point. Fix your focus. Balance in Vrikshasana, tree pose. And now very slowly release your hands. Untuck your foot. Again, 3 deep breaths in Tadasana. Relax. Lie down in Shavasana. Stretch yourself in Yashtikasana. And now curl yourself up to Pavan Muktasana. Drop the sole. Lift the hip to Setu Bandhasana. Support your back with your hands in Setu Bandhasana. Relax. Drop the hip down to the counter pose, Matsyasana. Lift your shoulder up, tuck your elbow and release the neck. Inhale, lift your head away from the floor. Exhale to Shavasana. Toes falling out. Palms open to the sky. Hands away from the body. And eyes closed.
a simple yet powerful relaxation technique. Before we start the process, it is very important to follow certain rules in Shavasana. Legs apart, hands away from the body, toes falling out, palms facing up to the ceiling, eyes closed, nose pointing up to the ceiling. Breathe in, hold the breath, hold it, and breathe out slowly. Breathe in, hold the breath, hold it, and breathe out slowly. Breathe in, hold the breath, hold it, and breathe out slowly. Breathe in, hold the breath, hold it, and breathe out slowly. Breathe in again deeply. Tighten the fist, tighten, and release the fist and breathe out slowly. Breathe in, tighten the fist, tighten, and release the fist and breathe out slowly. Breathe in, tighten the fist, tighten, and release the fist and breathe out slowly. Breathe in again deeply. Tighten the fist, tighten, and release the fist and breathe out slowly. Now when I say gentle attention, take your attention to that part of the body or visualize that part of your body. Gentle attention on eyebrow center, throat center, right shoulder joint, right elbow, right wrist, tip of the right thumb, tip of the index finger, tip of the middle finger, tip of the ring finger, tip of the little finger. Attention back to the right wrist, right elbow, right shoulder joint, throat center, left shoulder joint, left elbow, left wrist, tip of the left thumb, tip of index finger, tip of middle finger, tip of ring finger, left wrist, left elbow, left shoulder joint, throat center, chest center, right chest, chest center, left chest, chest center, navel center, abdomen center, right hip joint, right knee, right ankle, tip of the right big toe, tip of second toe, tip of third toe, tip of fourth toe, and tip of the little toe. Attention back to the right ankle, right knee, right hip joint, abdomen center, left hip joint, left knee, left ankle, tip of the left big toe, tip of second toe, tip of third toe, tip of fourth toe, and tip of the little toe. Attention back to the left ankle, left knee, left hip joint, abdomen center, navel center, chest center, throat center, eyebrow center. Breathe in deeply and breathe out slowly. Once more, breathe in deeply and breathe out slowly. With this peaceful state of mind, let us rest at this state for a few minutes. Slowly observe your body and surroundings. Start moving your fingers and toes. Start moving your fingers and toes. Turn to your right side, placing the right hand under the head, left palm in front of the chest, and stay there in that position for a few seconds. Stay there, do not sit up immediately, stay there. Now, slowly sit up, keeping your eyes closed.
Bring your palms in front of the chest. Let's do the closing prayer. Take a deep breath in. Om Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palms. Place them on your face. Cover your eyes. Feel the peace in the mind. Calm body, relaxed body. Feel the happiness. And with a beautiful smile, you may now open your eyes. Om Namah Shivaya. Bye bye.